Hi everyone, welcome to our dance. Today's video will introduce you to 4 exercises to strengthen your back. They can help with better postures and prevent injuries. Take 5 minutes of your day to work on these exercises and your back will thank you. Let's get started. First up, X twist. Lie on the tummy with arms extended straight by your shoulders. Cross one leg over the other, twisting like the letter X. Keep your core tight and spine lengthened when you twist. Avoid putting all the focus on the twist at the lower back. Keep your movements slow and controlled, and beware not to hold your breaths when doing the exercise. Next, side open locust. Take your palms in front of the forehead. Open the elbow and one side of the chest up. Initiate the movement from the upper back and let your eyes follow the path of your forearm. You may think of lengthening the spine as you peel the chest off the mat to open to the side. Floating cobra lifts. Tuck the hands under your shoulders. Press the back of the feet to the mat. Lengthen the spine and lift the hands and chest off the mat. This exercise focuses on strengthening your upper back, so make sure you don't cheat by just lifting the head up with the neck. Your movement should be initiated from the spine by engaging the core and hamstrings. Before we transition to the next exercise, let's come to a child pose and roll up to recover the back. Lunge twist. Come down to a low lunge with the back toes tucked in. Take the arm up by peeling the chest open to the side. Then take the elbow to the inside of the ankle. Focus on initiating twist from the upper back. It's totally fine if you can't touch the elbow to the ground. You should be able to reach a bigger range of motion as you do the repetitions. Let's switch to the other side. Keep the core in and focus on the movement of the upper back. The last exercise is open book. Start with lying on the back. Take the bent knees and straight arms to the same side. Open the top arm like a book. Make sure your hip doesn't get pulled to the side as you bring the arm down. Let your eyes follow the path of the moving arm. Let's turn to the other side. Keep your core in and back flat. This can ensure stability in your movement. Good luck on training a stronger back. you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.